Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful Tuesday. It is February 17th, 2026, and you're tuned into the Nasdaq Robotic Trading, market news, and economic landscape. Today's economic calendar was relatively light. At 8:30 a.m., we received the ADP Employment Change Weekly report. Later, at 10 a.m., the CB Employment Trends Index was released. On the earnings front, there were no tech companies scheduled to report after the closing bell. Overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., the index initially moved sharply higher, prompting our trading robot to enter a long position. As the Asian markets came online, sentiment shifted and the market retraced lower. In response, our system entered a short position, which was later closed for a profit as downside momentum accelerated. Pre-market data and volatility. During the early morning hours, overall price action remained subdued. However, notable weakness was observed in both silver and Bitcoin, which experienced significant selling pressure. At 8:15 a.m., the ADP Employment Change Weekly figure came in at 10.3 thousand. Following the release, futures edged modestly higher heading into the cash open. Intraday trades. At 9:30 a.m., as the U.S. equity market opened, the index initially spiked higher before quickly reversing course. Technology stocks came under pressure shortly after the open, contributing to increased intraday volatility. At 10 a.m., the CB Employment Trends Index was reported at 105.06, up from 104.51, indicating continued resilience in labor market conditions. Throughout the morning session, our robot executed several swing trades, all of which were closed profitably. By late morning, realized gains had reached $451. Afternoon session and into the close. In the afternoon, futures remained under sustained pressure. Our system identified another short opportunity and entered accordingly, later closing the position for an additional profit. By the closing bell, net profit from futures trading had reached $508, combined with an additional $283 from an AMD equity trade. Total realized profit for the day stood at $791. After hours, with no major technology earnings announcements after the bell, this concludes our Tuesday trading session. Summary. Despite relatively thin trading volume throughout the day, our trading robot generated a total profit of $791, trading one contract of the E-micro Nasdaq futures, alongside 100 shares of AMD. Thank you again for tuning in. I'm Matthew, wishing you all an amazing evening. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Robotic Trading.